Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back. So for the ones that like when I make videos constructing waist beads and showing different types of waist beads, this video is showing you how to construct them with using mostly items from this finding starter kit purchased from Walmart. So the first thing I'm using from this kit is this string. I've been asked a lot of times what the best string is or what the best thread is to use for waist bead. I do have a video coming up a little later on just exploring the better strings to use, so stay tuned for that. But in this video I'm going to use that string from the finding kit, and these are the beads I decided to use. I'm using these white glass beads that I got from Walmart as the base. White represents purity, a rebirth, so it's a nice color to start with, if you want to call it a color. I am working with some other stones too, some other crystals, for very specific reasons, so I've added what I wanted to the beads, and this is what I ended up with. I then used some gold beads just to create a nice finish before adding the chain that I'm going to be adding. That's the adjustable part, hence the name of the video. If you've seen any of my waist bead videos, particularly the ones of me attaching clasps to the waist beads, you've seen this part before pretty much. So I put a crimp on the beads. This finding kit doesn't come with a crimp cover, so I won't be using that. And then I thread the chain after the crimp, and then I pass the string back through the crimp. And I did try to pass it through a few of these beads as well, not all of them, and then I just pulled it through and I tightened it and I closed the crimps. Again, there are no crimp covers. The kit doesn't come with any, and I actually didn't have any gold ones to cover it, but honestly it doesn't look bad. It didn't stand out too much. I did the same on the other side, and that's to attach the lobster claw. So to make it look cute, I put these gold beads first, then I got the crimp. I don't think I showed that part, and then I added a lobster claw. Then I threaded it back through and did the same thing on this side. So that was it. So clearly these waist beads are not made to track your weight loss or your fat loss. I have seen in the comment section a few times some people going at others saying that these should be hidden. Although that may be true for your traditions, that isn't the same for everybody else. These have been worn for thousands upon thousands of years, and adornment is one of the reasons women have worn waist beads throughout the years. So just know it's not the same reason for everyone. So this one clearly is adornment. Now quickly right here I am showing you I cut the chain. Look how easy it was to cut, and I decided to affix a little pendant on that. I thought that was a cute little touch. That chain would have hung a little too low, and now I can use it again for another waist bead. So here are the finished waist beads. If you ever do cut your string a bit too short and don't want to waste it, you can turn your hand, make fashion, and you know, just finagle the thing, add a chain. Here you go, adjustable waist bead. Bam. Now when affixing the jewelry to your waist, you can select any level in which you wish to wear it on. So you can fasten it tighter, wear it higher up, you can loosen it and wear it lower down, and yeah, that's just pretty much it. So that's how it's gonna look in the back. And then I thought this was really cute. When I was making the waist beads, I decided to add a lobster claw, and I had a little charm, and then I added the charm to the lobster claw like that, and then that was it. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe right here. Just subscribe. Until next time.
Don't confuse me with somebody else, cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.